Welcome to the install and configure demonstration of vSphere data protection, introduced with VMware vSphere version 5.1. In this demo, the VDP appliance has already been deployed and powered on and is booting into the install mode. Now using the vSphere web client, we'll open a console session to the VDP appliance. Here we see the URL and the steps required to finish the configuration of the VDP appliance. Then we click Next on the welcome screen. Here, most, if not all, network settings should be pre-populated. We verify and complete the network settings as needed. Next, we select the appropriate time zone for the VDP appliance and provide a new password for the VDP appliance. Note the password requirements. In this example, we used VMware 123. Now, we enter the vCenter server username, password, and hostname. In this environment, the single sign-on service is running on the vCenter server virtual machine appliance, so the SSO hostname is the same as the vCenter hostname. Now, click the Test Connection button to verify the settings have been entered correctly and the VDP appliance is able to communicate with vCenter server and single sign-on. After completing the install mode wizard, reboot the VDP appliance. After the VDP appliance reboots, it will perform a series of automated configuration steps. These steps can take 30 to 45 minutes or more to complete. After that, log out of the vSphere web client and log back in. The vSphere Data Protection plugin should be visible in the left column of the vSphere web client, assuming the VDP appliance has finished the configuration process. Now, we click on vSphere Data Protection. Here, we select the VDP appliance we wish to connect to in the drop-down menu. Click Connect. Now that the appliance has been configured and rebooted, connecting to the VDP configure URL shows the appliance is now running in maintenance mode. There are 4 tabs in the user interface of VDP configure running in maintenance mode. The Status tab, where VDP services can be started and stopped if needed. The Configuration tab, which provides a way to modify network settings, vCenter registration, and system settings. The Rollback tab, to help protect VDP from corruption issues such as an improper shutdown or power off of the appliance. The Upgrade tab, where upgrades to the VDP appliance are managed. Also note that clicking the Collect Logs button on the Status tab produces a log bundle for troubleshooting purposes. The remaining configuration steps are optional. Next, click on the Configuration tab, switching back over to the vSphere web client. Here, we can view and modify backup window configuration details, in addition to information around the appliance and storage. Notice how increasing or decreasing the length of the blackout window also modifies the length of the maintenance window. VDP can also be configured to send email reports on a scheduled basis. To enable this functionality, we click Email, then click the Edit button at the bottom of the window, and then check the Enable Email Reports checkbox near the top of the window. The remaining blanks need to be completed as appropriate for our environment. VDP is now ready to be used for protecting virtual machines. This concludes VMware vSphere Data Protection install and configure demonstration. Thank you.